Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. So GALA has basically done what we wanted it to do after yesterday's update, in which we highlighted that GALA had broken below the trend line, and the break of the trend line was the confirmation that we were going to come down in the C wave of this wave 2 correction, back into the yellow box, which I just simply moved to the right hand side, but it was already here and we reacted to it various times. So it already generated potentially profitable trades for anybody who used it and then scaled maybe out in resistance. So the idea was that GALA has a 5-wave move of the June lows. We use that to determine this wave 2 support area, which is standard Fibonacci support for a wave 2 pullback after a potential wave 1 with a 5-wave move to the upside. So the idea was that, okay, with these 5 waves, that's, according to Elliott wave, a signal that the trend might have shifted from a downtrend back to an uptrend, but it is only the very first and early signal. We always need a 3-wave pullback after that into support, but above a certain retracement level, which is the 78.6 retracement level, in this case the 2.038 cent level. Yeah, we need that for second confirmation, and so far it's playing out. We had a first touch of the support area, we had a corrective rally, which I count as a B wave, so an A wave down, a B wave up, and now the C wave down, which should unfold in 5 waves. It can bottom at any time now. It really can. Then it would be a WXY structure. In an ABC structure, we would need one more, I've got it labeled there, wave 4 and a wave 5 to the downside. So in an ABC, the C wave would have 5 waves and should go a little lower eventually. But I haven't even got a wave 4 top in place. Now we might be working on this wave 4 right now. Yeah, because the wave 3 could be in. What is the target for the wave 3? Let's actually double check that. The 1.618 extension is typically what we want to see. Oops, just need to pick the tool. And okay, not yet reached the 1.618 extension. So ideally it's still going to get there. 2.24 cents in a third wave. Again, it doesn't necessarily need to lower, let's say, lower volume crypto charts sometimes show some distortions, especially on a day like that where we have a Fed interest rate decision, but ideally it still gets there. But we have already enough waves to consider that third wave complete. So I wouldn't be surprised if we now see a wave 4 pullback as indicated on the chart, and then the wave 5 down. I'm watching for support at either 2.21 cent or 2.038. Below the 2.038 cent level, it's rather going to end bearish most likely. But as long as we're holding that pivot point, 2.038 cents, price can rally in a third wave to round about 4 cents next. But that's actually there. But possibly even higher than that, So it's still a bullish setup I'm tracking. The fact that we're coming down now is absolutely not a problem. It's actually good for the chart, I believe, because let's be honest, the move up that happened here over the last week or so, here into this resistance area around 2.8 cents. This move up was very, very choppy, looks very corrective, and wouldn't really have given us a good foundation for a real solid rally. So I'm quite happy that it is coming down, that we are retesting the yellow support area again. And it's still a potentially bullish setup, not a high confidence setup necessarily, because the move up was only a diagonal, but still something that we can work with and that we can give a chance. Yeah, that's my update about GALA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.